So, 3 quick tips for the new beginner photographer that I think you should know. So, tip number 1, always show up on site early. Today, I come to do some waterfalls, so I made sure I was here an hour before sunrise. Make sure that I was down here ready to go. So I'm not rushing myself. I've got plenty of time to get the shot and go to the next one. Tip number 2, your mobile phone is your best friend to help you frame up your shot how you think you want it before you get your DSLR out or whatever camera you're using. That way it can stay protected in your bag. Before you get it out, you can have an idea of what photo you want to get. Tip number 3, don't rely on autofocus to get you that crisp, clean photo. Okay, I've lost many of photos in the past thinking autofocus has got me that tack sharp. On my 90D, quickly I'll show you how I use my manual focus. So, quickly, there's a button here with the there we go, the magnifying glass with the plus. So you can see here, it zooms in, go into 10 times or wherever, and then I can just zoom in as I want or focus in as I want. So nice, clean, ready for the shot. So they're my 3 tips for the new photographer. Number 1, show up early, give yourself plenty of time to take that nice, beautiful photo. Number 2, use your mobile phone to give you a hand to frame up your shot. Number 3, don't always rely on autofocus. Sometimes it can lose you a photo. Please, if you like this video, give it a like, thumbs up, much appreciated, and think about subscribing to the channel. See you on the next one. So, 3 quick tips for the